Recovery after buttock implants involves keeping the area very clean because the incisions are in your butt crack. And so you need to keep that area very clean with warm soapy water and pat it dry. Now I'm gonna use dressings in that area which are glue. Unless you're allergic to glue, glue is the best dressing for that area. But after you poop, you need to immediately wash your butt crack with warm soapy water and dry it off. So that is point number one when you're recovering from placement of butt implants. The other thing is you cannot sit or lay on your butt at all. You need to either be standing up or laying on your stomach. I do not think it's a good idea to lay on your side because then you're going to put asymmetric pressure on your buttock. So you really either need to lay flat down on your stomach or stand up, or just stand up in the air while you're recovering from buttock implants. And I want you to do this for the first 3 weeks. And then after 3 weeks, I'll give you the green light, depending on how things look and feel, as to whether or not you can start sitting on soft pillows, donut pillows, things like that, as we get closer and closer to the 8-week mark. By 8 weeks, everything is well healed in place and you don't have to worry. It is up until that mark when we really need to be cautious about not disrupting the position of the implants or putting stress on the healing incisions. As far as exercise goes, you can exercise after 3 weeks following a Brazilian butt lift. But again, I want to see you first to give you the green light for that. Showering, you can shower after 48 hours. You can shower and get everything wet, or if you poop, whatever happens first. Then the other thing is swimming and bathing is also 3 weeks. Depending on how things look and as long as everything's healed, you could go underwater. Now, it's very different for healing incision to be washed with warm soapy water like you would in a shower or a sponge bath and being submerged underwater. You might say, well, hey, you told me I could take a shower and wash my butt crack as soon as I pooped after surgery. And I do want you to do that. But that's very different than submerging your incisions underwater where there is water pressure forcing its way into your body. So that's why I want you to wait 3 weeks before you swim or take a bath or go underwater. Compression garment, I want you to wear the garment that we put you in for those 8 weeks after surgery, and we'll probably need to tailor and adjust additional garments during that time, but we really need to support the healing of the implants in the correct location. Occasionally, I will put drains in at the time of buttock implants because it can help the implants stay positioned in the exact correct position where we want them to be. And if you do have drains, we will remove them usually pretty quickly within days after surgery. But you can just follow the usual drain care protocol, which I explained in a different video. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.